Namaste, my friends. Welcome or welcome back. Let's talk about cleaning our mats, as it is so important because we practice once per week, twice per week, but some of us practice even every day. And the same as we're washing the clothes, we need to take care of our yoga mat to practice on the clean one and to be sure that it lasts as long as possible. So how to do that? First of all, for different yoga mats, the cleaning technique will be different. I'm so sorry to tell you that. In general, it is very important to have a look when you buy the yoga mat. Usually there is this piece of paper with the instruction how to use it, how to roll it, how to clean it. And it would be nice to keep it, or at least to take a picture, or simply to remember. So that in this way, the producer tells you already what to do and what not to do with your yoga mat. But there are some basic rules that I will share with you, and I will show to you what I do with my yoga mats. Some yoga mats are very easy to clean. For example, the PVC yoga mat, like that. This one is a Bodhi brand, super easy. The only thing you need to do is to soak it in the water or actually put it in the tub. And I actually even rub it with the brush, anything that you can have, that you have at home. And I use a lot of soap because this yoga mat can sustain almost anything that you do with it. So a lot of soap. I love a lot of soap in this one in general. Some brushing, some rubbing if you practice outside and it's really dirty. If it's not that dirty, you can simply wipe it with a cloth with a bit of soap and water. So the way you prefer. Some yoga mats can even be put in the washing machine like some rubber yoga mats. But be sure that you check with your producer, with your brand specifically. I know that some, for example, my travel yoga mat made of natural rubber, the Ojas brand, it's written that you can actually put it in the washing machine. Haven't tried yet, but at least soaking it in the tub works perfectly. Let's go to the more complicated yoga mats. The next yoga mat that I would like to talk about is the Lifeform or Lifeform Me. Actually, all of the yoga mats which are made in the way that have the natural rubber bottom part, and on top there is the layer of polyurethane or PU. In this case, the best possible way to clean it is exactly the way that they're telling on the website. So you take a piece of cloth or a napkin or anything. I will show you what I'm using. I'm using this one, which is actually for the face, but this is super comfortable and convenient. You need to prepare the pot of water, add a bit of soap, maybe a couple drops of the soap, or they are actually telling to use a dishwasher soap. You soak it there, you rinse it nicely to be sure that there is not much water kind of inside, and you wipe it till it's clean. Then you leave it to dry. In general, all of the yoga mats, you will have to leave it to dry, so don't try to clean your yoga mat before the practice. You clean it after the practice and it will be perfectly ready for the next time you would like to do so. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, if you found it useful. I really hope that your yoga mat will remain clean and perfect and it will serve you a lifetime. Thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste.